In front of me is DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm over here at the top left corner. Now to create a new one, use this plus and begin by setting up an hour. Then choose OK and operate all of those options however you want to. First of all, hit repeat and pick days of the week. Then use this icon next to vibrate to switch it off or on. Click on this little bell and pick Add New to pick any song from your device or select one of those melodies. Now hit label and name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Choose OK. And to hide all of those options, click at the bottom right corner. To switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher. To edit it, click at the bottom right corner again to make your changes. And last but not least, to delete it completely, use delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!